Peace be upon you guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to make a camera movement for your game. So this is just section by section, and then let's start. On the camera script, we just got here the start point. This is optional, and then the width and the half width, and then the player. So on the function ready, I change the player into the player node, and then there's position equal to start point. And then on the physics process delta, what I just got here is if the player is on the right side of the camera, then we want to move the camera into the right side. Else, if the camera is on the left side of the camera, we want to move the camera to the left side. So let's start. On the camera 2D, I just want to delete node here, and then on the work, I want to make a new node called camera 2D, and then add script here. I think I'm gonna change this because I have the camera 2D script here. So on here, I just want to make variable start point just like that, equal to vector2. What I'm gonna do, the start point is the start point of the game. So I think just here you can see your point on the here transform 526 or 500, about 530, and then 270, 530, 270. Because this is vector 2, we use float x. You use x position and y position here. And then on the function ready, I'm going to change our camera position into the start point. So I'm going to create a new variable called player, so I can get the player node here. Player got dot player underscore parent. So on the camera, we can get the node of the player by getting the world node and then the player node. So get parent dot get node. So what we got here is the player. So this is just get the player node. So on the function physics process delta, this is just a ready function where we run once if the game start, and this is run every time the game runs. So on here we want to if position means the camera position dot x I think if the player position dot x, the player position dot x larger than or equal to the camera position dot x plus the half width of the camera. I just wanna make on here variable half width and width. So the half width is 512, and then the width of the camera is 1024. You can see your width here on the project setting on the display window. This is our camera width. You can change whatever you want. So on here, this is just if the player position is on the left side of on the edge of the camera, so we want to move the camera. Position dot x means the camera position plus equal, we want to move to the width of the camera. So this is just when the player on the, this is just distance from here to here. So if the player on here, we want to move the camera not on here but on here, 2 times the player distance. So like just like that. I forgot to get this. And else, if the player.position.x smaller or equal to the camera position.x minus half width, then we want the camera position.x minus equal the width. So on the camera, I just set the current to on. Let's see what we got here. Oops. Let's see what we got. You can see here, the camera is not on the center, on the left of the player is not on the left of the camera. So we want to change this. Make sure your camera 2D, the direct margin equal to 0, all of them, and then smoothing to on, so we can smoothly moving the camera like this. And then for the direct margin, we just want to get the player to the edge of the camera like this. And then that's it. Thanks for watching.